Do you like orange? Take it. Take the orange. All the orange. All the orange. Today, me and Bella.
Take the whiteness.
We did not rehearse for this. I didn't tell Bella. I'm not telling Bella what we're going to do yet. I'm going to show her. Ah! We're going to be doll fighting. We'll fight with the doll that we got.
Hey, I just washed my hands.
Oh! Here you go, guys. Ah, come here.
But it doesn't mean I'm not going to do it.
I hit the camera. I'm waiting for Bella. Oh, cool. Oh, no, please here.
I hit.
Okay. Oh, you got me. I don't know if you guys saw, but she's it.
No. You silly. Fine. Keep the camera entertained.
You're it.
Ah.
She's it, guys.
Oh. All right, it's official. I'm home.
Ah.
Here, go, come on. Ah, I got your butt. I got your butt. Ow. That was cornered. Oh, my butt. Oh, you're right. Your head.
No headshots. If you do, doesn't count.
Come here, shot. Take him in here. Oh, you're it. You're it. You're it. Oh. Oh.
Wait, Nick, let's try to get each other at the same time. Wait, Nick, we're not letting YouTube see that much.
Okay, yeah. Oh, why you're so it's slimy. It's so slimy. Oh, guys, look at this. Oh, ah, I had to whip it.
Okay, let's test these on.
Okay, we're gonna try to just use yours. Okay?
Okay.
Come on, come here.
Because yours is too easy.
Yeah. I know it's making a wet because of
Okay.
water. Oh, stop it! Ah, you meanie! You meanie to YouTube, you YouTube offender! Oh! She missed! She missed, but oh! She missed again! Oh, come on! Oh, guys, you feel this? Oh, I don't know what time the video is.
My favorite one! My favorite one! My favorite one! My favorite one!
But if you want to get out of your hand, you don't want to be sticky, do this.
Okay.
Not the realtor, but the guy that's going to grab our finances.
This is how we do it.
Baby.
Ow!
I gotta talk to you.
Oh, no, you're not playing tag.
We
just do this.
basically, and I was like, oh, great.
Hi, YouTube.
Oh no! Don't hurt my hands!
Oh, Nick, you have big hands too.
Oh, come on! Here's got some pink on my shirt.
Ha ha!
Come here.
Shine!
Say I'm a sissy win-win in front of the camera. Say it! Say I'm a sissy win-win. I won't let you go until you say it.
I'm a sissy win-win.
There you go. Don't you hurt it!
What did I say?
Oh Lord! You said he's a sissy win-win.
No, I didn't.
I said I'm a sissy win-win.
No. Stop. Good job. I don't want to touch the camera. Nick, look it.
Oh!
Oh no.
Oh, no, show YouTube. Okay, wait this. Here we go.
No, but for me, it kind of sucks.
Oh. This is all over the room now.
Okay.
No, man! No! It's gonna come over me. Ah.
Nick, you better help me.
Mom, look at me.
Make sure you wash your hands on that. And don't get it all over the floor.
We're not.
Bella picked it. There's like pink pieces on the floor.
I know, I'm gonna pick it up.
Don't be a thumb sucker. Look at him.
Gangnam style.
Buddy, you look so cute doing
No, no. Oh, come on. Well,
Can you give me my pink back?
yeah. I can't take my hands out. Okay, good. Oh, look at this.
Give it back to me.
Okay. It's so.
It's getting low.
Oh. If you guys can see, there's a little tiny string on the end of it. Wait, I need to learn how to do a live stream, right, Bella? Yeah.
Give me it back. You just need help.
Take this back, please.
Fine.
Oh. Guys, look at this. Oh, it's so disgusting. Oh, so weird. And Bella, say something to your future self when you're watching this video. Say, I have such a baby voice. Yo, Bella, future Bella, when me and you were watching this, Bella, you have a baby voice. You have a baby voice.
Stop!
Yeah, Nick. What are you doing that for?
Nick's having a baby boy.
In the videos.
Oh, Bella. Oh, honey. Put that all in your hair. All right, you are definitely taking a bath tonight, and don't put it in your hair anymore.
Guys, look at my pants.
No, you just flung it everywhere. Wash your hands off and pick it all off the floor.
Oh.
Oh my God, it's awful. Read a book, learn all on 2 stories.
I gotta get this all off.
Ew, who farted? Ew,
I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe. Mickey B washing his hands. Mommy, you guys can leave this video now because it's gonna take a while. Oh, come on.
Nick, say Nicky be out.
Mickey B, ouch! Look at my little hand.